Right now, without realizing it, your brain is finishing the sentence before you read it. It is building the next word, the next sound, the next moment of your life, before any of it actually happens. That might sound like a party trick, but what neuroscientists have discovered is far stranger. Your brain is not reacting to the world around you, it is predicting it. Constantly, every single second. And the reality you think you are experiencing is not the world itself. It is your brain's best guess about what the world is probably doing right now. The thing you call reality is a forecast. Think about the last time you reached for a coffee cup. You did not wait for your fingers to touch the handle before your muscles began adjusting their grip. Your brain predicted the weight and the resistance and fired the signals before contact was ever made. When a friend starts a sentence, you are already predicting how it ends. You are never living in the present, you are living 2 steps ahead of it. Neuroscientist Karl Friston formalized this into something remarkable. He proposed that your brain's entire job is to minimize the difference between what it expects to happen and what actually happens. Predict, compare, correct, repeat, and it updates its predictions only when the error is large enough to force a correction. Most of the time, your brain is not listening to the world. It is running its own simulation and letting reality interrupt only when the simulation breaks down. Think about what this means for something as simple as seeing. Right now, your eyes are making rapid jerky movements called saccades 3 to 4 times per second. Every time your eyes jump, your visual field should blur like a phone camera being swung sideways, but you do not see that blur, because your brain predicts what the world will look like after each movement and generates that image before your eyes even land. You are not seeing the world, you are seeing your brain's prediction of the world, corrected by a trickle of incoming light. Every skill you have ever built was built the same way. The first time you tried to ride a bike, your brain predicted how to balance. It was wrong. Error. It updated, predicted again. Smaller error. Over hundreds of tiny mismatches, the model grew precise enough that the errors nearly vanished. What feels like mastery is a brain that has stopped being surprised. Now stretch this into emotion. When you walk into a room and feel a vague unease before you can say why, that is your predictive brain registering a mismatch. Something did not fit the model. The prediction error fired before conscious thought could form. You felt it before you knew it. Cognitive scientist Andy Clark has argued that this extends all the way into identity. The self is not a fixed thing that observes the world. It is a set of predictions about what kind of experiences this particular body is likely to have. When those predictions are consistently violated, the experience is destabilizing. When they are confirmed, the experience is identity. You are not just predicting your next word, you are predicting yourself. The calm you feel in a familiar room is not the absence of stimulation, it is the absence of prediction errors. The discomfort you feel in a strange place is not danger, it is a high, prediction error environment. And this is why grief is so disorienting. The person who is gone was woven into thousands of your brain's daily predictions. You predicted their presence, their voice, and now the world keeps sending errors in their place. Your brain builds people into itself. So the next time you catch yourself knowing what someone is about to say, or reaching for something before you have decided to reach, or feeling something you cannot yet name, remember what is actually happening. Your brain has already been to the next moment. It is waiting for the world to catch up.